Hey guys, what's up? So I just completely filmed this video in another room in my house and the lighting wasn't good at all. I just decided to refilm it all. So take two on this. Earlier this week I gave myself this lash lift. I took a picture of my eyelashes, one eye done, one eye not done. I was shook by the difference that it gave my eyelashes, so I posted a picture on Finsta. So many people wondered how I did it and they were like asking me to make a YouTube video. I wish I filmed myself giving myself the perm when I was doing it, but I was like, do I potentially blind myself for this video or just like do it once by myself? Since it was a success, when I redo it, I'll film it then and I'll film like this update video so you can like see how it's holding up, how long it lasted for me. And in that video, I'll show you how I actually did it live in like footage. But for now, I'm just gonna explain the steps. And before we get into the actual videos, if you wanted like a live video, look at how my eyelashes look. There's no mascara on them. They're not curled at all. This is just like how they look after a shower. When I wake up, I just have to like daily spoolie them. But other than that, yeah, this is what the eyelashes look like. As for how I did this kit is amazing. It's the Pinxio eyelash perming kit. This is what it looks like. These are all the different steps that are needed, the tools required. So first you have these little silicone shields for your eyelids. And what you do is there's 3 sizes in these. They're small, medium, large. The different sizes just indicate the amount of curl that's gonna happen with the shield. So step 1, it comes in this little white bottle and it's the perm lotion. Step 2 comes in this blue bottle and it's the setting lotion. Step 3 is the moisture lotion, which is like oil. And then step 4 is just cleanser water. Also included in the kit is this bottle of eyelash glue. There's these medium thickness rods, and then they have these very thin rods that are like almost like Q-tip thickness. What I did first was I picked the size silicone shield that I wanted. So you take this and you take your eyelash glue and you glue it onto the back of the shield and then you fit it onto your eyelid. Then this next step's kind of hard. You take the eyelash glue and put it on the silicone shield and then take either a Q-tip or some eyelash tool, or you can even use the skinny rods that they include in the kit. And you take each of your eyelashes and you have to get them to stick onto the eyelash shield. So that's basically the hard part. After that, you just take the Q-tip or whatever stick you're using and you first apply the perm lotion for 10 to 15 minutes. Then you wipe that off. Then you take the setting lotion, you put that on for 10 minutes. Then you take the moisture lotion, you put that on for 5 minutes. And by that point, the moisturizing lotion has like dissolved the glue enough to get your eyelashes to stick off the shield. And then when you take your shields off, your eyelashes are amazingly curled. It's like shook worthy, for lack of a better word or phrase. It's crazy like how much it like curls your eyelashes. Now let's get into the questions I got. Also, the usernames are blurred out because I asked my friends on Finsta and I don't know if they want their Finsta usernames out because yep. Okay, so let's get into it. So my one friend asked how much was the kit. So I get the kit on Amazon for $20, which I think is so worth it because one, the kit has like enough solutions provided to do 18 to 20 applications, and also you can either pay $20 for this kit, do it yourself, or you can get it done by a professional for $200. So my other friend asked me how long does the eyelash thing last, like how long does the lift like keep your lashes curled. They say the eyelash lift lasts from like 6 to 8 weeks, 2 months, around that time. Basically all body hair grows in cycles and there's like baby phases, teenage phases, and adult phases, and each body hair is at a different phase of its life and they're just constantly falling and growing and then like just like in that constant cycle. So it just depends on like when you do the application based on like what a majority of your eyelashes are, what phase they're in at that time, and then that'll determine if it's like more on like the 6-week side of things. Just like general maintenance for your eyelashes that should last you like around 2 months. Another comment was, can you put mascara on your eyelashes? So you can definitely still wear mascara, but you can't put on waterproof mascara because apparently some of the ingredients in it break down a perm. If you want to get more of the volume going, then sure, by all means go ahead. But I think the major perk of this is that you can like go about your day not wearing mascara and it looks like you're wearing mascara. So someone asked, does it damage your eyelashes? I don't think it damages your eyelashes. When I'm washing my face, they're not falling out, so I don't think it damages your eyelashes. Maybe in the long run. I'll include in my update video, I guess, if I felt like they damage my eyelashes. But either way, your eyelashes do regrow pretty quickly anyway, so in 2 months I feel like you won't be able to tell if it does damage. Another person said, honestly, 1 to 10, how hard is it to do the eyelashes? I feel like the first step is really hard when you put the shield on and get all your eyelashes on the shield. It's basically really important to make sure your eyelashes are like perfect when they're on the shield in the first couple steps so that the next steps with the perm solution can like perm them properly. I'd say that step's a little more difficult, like 6 or 7, but then after that it's so easy. You just take the solutions, put them on the base of your eyelashes. Just with the first step, I definitely ask for help. Try to be detail oriented with that step because that will be telling of what the outcome is like. And for the last question that I got, does this work on monolid eyes? I think it matters less what type of eyelid you have and more just on the length of your eyelashes, because as I was watching videos online when I was doing it, the estheticians were saying for the most part if you have a substantial amount of eyelash length that's available to be curled, then it can be curled. But if your eyelashes are like not long enough or like a little too tucked in, it might be a little harder. But basically, if your eyelashes are long enough to be able to be stuck onto a shield so that solution can be put on your baseline, I think you should be good. So as for the people who are like, Heba, can you do my eyelashes for me? Yes, I can do your eyelashes for you. Just, you know, text me. I'll do your eyelashes. I want you all to have pretty eyelashes that stick straight up and are curly all day, and you will love them so much. So basically, if you wanted my overall opinion of this eyelash kit, I 120% recommend you guys get this kit. It is so amazing. It's $20 compared to a $200 session. So I mean, like, come on, like, you know, $20 kit for sure. So that is the end of the video. If I missed anything in this video, I'm probably going to include it in my update video when I reperm my eyelashes. If you enjoyed, you know the deal. Leave a comment down below. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Share it with your friends. Spread the word. Everyone should be perming their eyelashes. It's amazing. And make sure to subscribe. That is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!